Man, it's always a good day when Caudabe hits us with a new color. Now, this color is not new in all of Caudabe's lineup, but for one of these cases, this is a brand new color. And today we are taking a look at the Caudabe Sheath and Synthesis in Eucalyptus for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Now, a huge shout out to Caudabe for sending these over to me to show you guys. I've already done a full review on both of these cases, which I will leave at the end of this video. That way you can see all of the details. We get real down deep into the cases, but I just wanted to show you guys the cases in these colors, and then I'll show you all of the colors of the Sheath and the Synthesis. Let's dive right in. So, taking a look here, we do have the Sheath here, the Synthesis here, and both of these are going to be in that Eucalyptus color. Now, the Sheath I do have in the open camera plateau. Of course, I'll show you guys. Unfortunately, I do not have the Eucalyptus in the precise version to show you guys, but all the other ones you can see and you can kind of imagine, and I'll throw up a picture or something as well. So let's go ahead and get started first with the Sheath. You guys have seen this already in Eucalyptus, but just pulling it out of the box here. Now, before we get into the cases, what this means, the green, and on the Canyon version, which I'll show you, this was red. This is part of their elemental collection, which basically means that a portion of the proceeds do go to a good environmental cause with the elemental collection cases. So you always love to see that, seeing them donate to a good cause. Now, right here, what we get is the case, and then on the inside, you get a little more information here. Let's open this one up. Right? So you get this in here, and it just gives you a little bit of information right there for Eucalyptus. Feel free to pause and read that for yourself, but nice little envelope here. And then you do get a little thing on how to install the Sheath properly, but of course your boy B has you with all of that. Now, let's set all this off. I'm fumbling over here with it. Setting all this off to the side, taking a look. Now, this is going to be very similar to, it's the same exact case, right? So let me just bring over the Celestial Blue right here. Same exact case. Everything is exactly the same. But what I do want to show you guys is the weight difference. The size is the exact same, but let's see if there's a weight difference between the closed and the open plateau. So let's just go ahead and bring over our scale here. I'm not going to do the measurements of the thickness because they're exactly the same, but just seeing, are we in grams? I think unset. Okay, we're in pounds and ounces. Hold on, stand by. There we go. Grams, right? So let's start off with what we know, the precise version. We're looking at 54 grams on the Sheath. And then with the open cutout version, we're looking at 51 grams. So you have a 3-gram difference between the open plateau and the closed plateau. So if you want something, if you want the Sheath, but you want it to be as light as possible, go with the open plateau. But either way, this is what we're looking like. Let me set that one off to the side. On the inside, of course, it's the exact same case, guys. Everything is the same, but you do get that nice green with this Eucalyptus. And then, of course, you do have the matching buttons on this case as well. Now, Caudabe does have a bunch of different button options. So if you go on their website, which I will leave down in the description below, you guys can pick the case up as well as pick up some buttons if you want to for the Sheath. You just go on their site, you type in what case you have, and it'll pop up with the buttons that fit it. But yes, guys, let's go ahead and bring over the Cosmic Orange. Let's set this on here. Of course, for good measure, why not, right? We all know the fit is going to be excellent on the Sheath. It's going to be the exact same with all the other colors, so I'm not going to go through any of this stuff. But just taking a look, this is what we're looking like with the Eucalyptus on the Cosmic Orange iPhone 17 Pro Max. This is giving very much Master Chief from Halo vibes. The green with the orange. I think this is a slept-on combination. A green with orange isn't your typical, like, you know, color matching that you would do. A lot of people would do blue and orange, or, you know, orange and black, something like that. A whole bunch of different other colors. But green is a slept-on color with orange. And I think it looks really, really good on the Cosmic Orange 17 Pro Max. So, yes, this is what we are looking like with the Sheath, guys. Like I said, full review at the end of this video and in the description below if you guys want to check it out. But yeah, that is the Sheath. Now, let's go ahead. We're going to take this off real quick, right? Very good fit on here. Take this off, and let's move over to the Synthesis. So, bringing this out, same exact packaging. We get this 3, 2, 1. Boom. Look at that. That is a beautiful color. Of course, same exact pamphlet right here. And let's set this off to the side and take a look. Now, this green, man, this thing is going to look really, really good with that orange. But yes, this is the Synthesis Frost in the Eucalyptus color. It only comes with an open plateau right now. On the inside, exactly the same as all of your other Synthesis cases. So let's go ahead, put this thing on here, right? Boom. There we go. And reveal. Look at that, man. That looks really good. What do you guys think about that? Let me know in the comments. Is this a color combo that you would go with? Would you go with green and orange? Let me know down below, because I'm really feeling this color combination. You know, the green with the sheath, with the synthesis, everything looks really, really good. Of course, exact same case, no need to go through it, but just a quick comparison for those of you who may not know, what is the difference between the sheath and the synthesis? Now, first things first, there is also another case, there are two other cases they have. They have the Veil and the Paragon on top of these two cases, which I did review the Paragon as well. You can check that out on the channel. But these are going to be their two kind of most protective cases. They all give you that good drop protection. They're all going to give you good protection all around for the phone, but the synthesis is going to be their most protective case because it's a little bit thicker, a little bit heavier, a little more screen lip, better grip. It's going to have the best grip out of all of them because of those micro dots right here. But like I said, you can check that out on the channel. I did a full review on the synthesis. But yeah, the sheath is a little bit lighter, a little bit thinner. It's going to be a little bit more minimal looking, a little more of a minimal case. It's going to have more texture on the back and some texture on the sides. Whereas on the back of the Synthesis Frost, at least, you're getting just the frosted texture here with those micro dot grips right there. So those are kind of the differences between the two, and this is what you're looking like. Of course, Synthesis also has the metal standalone, very clicky buttons that also can be interchanged with whatever colors Caudabe offers on their website. And what I love about their cases is they are going to give you that color matched camera control button, which of course works perfectly. I tested that in the reviews as well. But yeah, guys, this is what we are looking like with the Eucalyptus on the Synthesis Frost and the Caudabe sheath. Now, taking a look at all the colors that the sheath comes in, you're of course getting this new Eucalyptus. You're going to get Celestial Blue, Black, Canyon, and of course that gray. And then looking at the synthesis, you're going to get this beautiful new Eucalyptus and of course that Abyss Blue and Frost Black. So a few different color options on each of the cases. You guys definitely can choose one that will go well with any of the colors that the phone that you have, either the Cosmic Orange or the Silver or the Blue. All of these cases will honestly look great with any of them, but of course you can pick and choose which one you think looks best. But yeah, guys, that has been it. Let me know what you think about the synthesis and about the sheath in that new Eucalyptus color. Well, new to the synthesis, been around with the sheath. Let me know what you think about it down in the comments below. And if you guys want to see the full review of the Caudabe sheath, I'm going to leave that video right here. The Caudabe synthesis review is right here.